Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that's a little upsetting. Your boy spent so much money and effort trying to get a GT package, premium package Miata, the most expensive Miata you could get at the time, and something that it was supposed to come with was comfort access, but it's not working because the previous owner broke it apparently. So let me go show you what the problem is and then we can dive right into fixing it. Okay, so on my car, you have comfort access. It was one of the options they could get on the GT, and you see there's a button right there, and you see it's locked, and then I press the button, it unlocks, and same way with lock. And that's great, but if we go around to the driver's side of the car, you will see that we're sort of missing the button that helps me unlock the car. And it's really upsetting because I use this button every single time I want to get into the car, but I can't because it's not there. Not sure what happened. I got it this way from the previous owner, so that's upsetting. But anyways, we're gonna fix that today. I got a new door handle straight from Mazda. Let's go install it. Okay, step number one to removing the door handle is you have to remove this inner door panel. There's gonna be two screws right here. There's one in the door handle right there, and then there's one under this cover right here. Please excuse all the, I guess, like wear on this handle. Yeah, I'm sad about it too, but I don't want to replace it. Actually, I could replace it, but it's okay. Okay, so for this top one, there's like a little cover on the inside that you just sort of remove. Probably best with a pry tool. I don't have a pry tool on me. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get it out with a screwdriver. Ooh, that came out really fast, but finally got out the trim piece. Okay, for this piece, you sort of like get in from like the back and then pry it like forward and out, and it just pops out. Behind the trim piece, there's a little Phillips here as well. There's a Phillips underneath. This piece, get it off. Oh my gosh, I just smacked myself in the face with that piece off. But okay, that finally came off. I have no idea how this is supposed to go on. Well, I think you pry it just outwards, like that. Okay, so that's that piece. So Phillips head in the door pull area, Phillips head in the handle, and then a Phillips head in the cup holder. And then after that, we should be able to just pull off this door panel. Okay, so now that we got all the screws out holding the door card in place, I think we just pull it off. I think we just pry it off, so wish me luck. Oof. This feels like I'm breaking it. Like 946. Oh, okay, so then after that you just sort of pull it up, I think. So yeah, now we got our door panel off. It's pretty easy, just gotta get this handle out of the way and disconnect the clips for the speaker and the mirror controls. Okay, so we just got a bunch of 10mm bolts that hold in this piece of plastic that just need to come off, and then so we get access to the back of the door handle. I think these screws need to come off as well, because I think those also hold it in still. Okay, so now we can get started on the door handle. It's up in here. I think there's some bolts you have to get into. there. And then from there you should just be able to yank on the door handle and it should come out. It's a little bit hard with only one hand. The wire for the comfort access is like all bundled in there. I think it's secured somehow, so I'm just gonna try to rip it out because it's dunzos. Okay, so I ended up ripping out the old handle just by cutting it because I really couldn't get the wire past the stupid freaking clip. So here's what it is. This one's broken anyways. I'm never going to use it. Now it's time to go put in the new handle. So here we go. Here's the parts that Mazda sent us to hopefully fix our broken door button. So I got this directly from Mazda. My local Mazda dealership reached out to a bunch of their dealers, and then they found this door handle in California, I believe, which is pretty crazy. And this is an OEM part, but even cooler than it being an OEM part, this actually comes pre-painted in Highline Green. So to be able to find a Highline Green door handle was pretty crazy. I think they said this is the last one too. So let's dive in. This knife sucks. Okay. It's just ripping it open at this point. Wow. Very nice. Oh, also, not even the fact that it's just Highline Green and OEM, but this is specific to the package that I have on the car, which is the premium package, because the premium package has to have like this button. All the other normal cars that don't have premium package don't have this button, so that's the button that I need to fix. So I'm so happy that I was able to find one of these in the exact thing I needed. Okay, let's go throw it on the car now. Shiny. So hopefully reverse process of installing this door handle, and hopefully it doesn't give me too hard of a time. Get this wire through here. Oh, I just took in. This was the clip that I couldn't get out of the other side. So I guess I just really had to like rip it out. But I swear, I was pulling on it so hard it wouldn't come out. So I guess that's the replacement. That's nice that Mazda threw that in. Okay, I was able to pry out that clip that was in there from before with the pry tool and put in the new one, so that was pretty good. Now we're just gonna thread this through and put it back to normal. And then there's even like a little rubber grommet replacement, which is awesome. Look at that, perfection. One of the hard parts is gonna get the freaking metal bars that is like basically the linkage for opening the door back into place. It's going brutal. So after lots of fiddling around, I was able to connect these metal rods to the door handle and connect the linkage, so now it's all back together. Unfortunately, it's really hard for me to show you. Actually, I can't show you. I'm gonna go get the old door handle. So basically what it is inside the door handle, it's like this thing, when you pull it, it like comes down, and the linkage basically hooks into this hole here. So you just like slide this piece out of the way, put the linkage on, and then clip this back on, and it's in. The part that I didn't know you have to do is like flip this part out to like unlatch it. But now that I have this piece out, it's a lot easier to understand. So yeah, if you're ever replacing your Miata door handle, now you know this sick pro tip, my guy or girl, because Miatas are stereotypically owned by girls. And then we can just continue to put stuff back together. actually, so I'm fixing it up for the previous owner.
Wow.
Thank you.
What year is it?
2008.
Standard.
Standard, yeah,
Oh,
manual.
I love standard.
Five?
6 speed.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Over the hard top?
Hard top, yeah.
The soft top too?
No, it's actually a like a power tractable hard top.
Oh, really?
So
wow.
yeah, it was. This car is fully optioned.
Can you show me how it works?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, so wow, this is interesting.
Yeah, it's got comfort access, and the previous owner destroyed this little button here, so I'll just replace the button.
Oh, good for you.
But the entire door has to come off to replace the one button.
Good for you.
Oh my God.
So I used to have a 1992.
Oh wow.
It was a bright yellow.
That was the ending one with the pump headlights.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
oh yeah.
I love the pump headlights. I'm so sad they got rid of them.
I could have, had I known, I would have held on to mine.
But yeah, there's a little like clamp on the inside here.
Yeah.
Undo it. Oh.
You go like that. Boom.
Oh wow. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow. Wow.
That's
It's really
amazing.
awesome.
It's so slick.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Good
That's
for
nice.
you. You're gonna have a lot of fun
Oh,
with
it'll
this car.
be fantastic.
Yeah.
I had mine for a long time.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, good
Well,
for you.
Enjoy
Thank you.
it. Yeah.
Thank you so
color.
much. Yes,
Yeah,
thank you. I love
it
the
is.
green. It's so cool.
Oh yeah.
Thanks,
fabulous.
bye.
Thank you for
Bye-bye.
showing us the route.
Anytime.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
It beats the hell out of the Camaro.
Yeah. That's so cool. I get so many compliments in this car. It's like way more than in the BMW. It's the weirdest thing. I guess people just love Miatas. I love it. Something I don't love though is how many freaking screws there are. I still have leftover screws. I have no idea where they go. They have to go in here, but like where? Put the trim pieces back into place. I need to give this door card a wash, but that is it. We are done. Now let's go test it. Okay, so car is open. Button. Wow, and it locked. That is so cool. Awesome. Yes, yo, I am so happy.
You getting ready to sell it?
I actually just bought the car.
Fantastic.
Yeah, thank you.
What year?
2008.
I have a 03.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a retractable hardtop?
Retractable hardtop, yeah. I love it. It's like the full convertible experience, but you get the coupe-like ability with the hardtop.
Because I got the cloth top, so yeah, when it's up and it's raining, it's like being in a tent.
Yeah.
So this is an NC.
NC, yep. The least liked of the Miatas, according to the internet.
Yeah, it's the smiley face, right?
Yeah, this is a pre-facelift one, so it's got like the circle grille as opposed to like the more smiley one of the later generation or later facelift model.
That's why I like this one. I've seen, I'm in the neighborhood, I'm down here, and I've seen it a couple of times. Like, oh, Miata, beautiful.
Thank you, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a car to be proud of.
Thank you so much.
Well done, man.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you, will do. It's awesome, like the amount of attention I get in this car. I've been out here working for like maybe like an hour, and so many people just like stop talking about this car. It's actually pretty crazy. I'd never get this in BMW, but sort of messed up my sweater. Should have been wearing a light color, but we're done. Definitely worth it. I need to wipe down this whole door card. And yeah, I'm so happy that I got to do the comfort access button because it makes a world of difference not having to pull out your key card. Or I guess in this case it's a key card because, you know, Miata thing. Did I ever show you guys the key card? It's like an actual key card. It is such a weird thing to do. But yeah, just it makes the car feel like so much more modern, not having to pull a key card, just doing the button on the side of the door. I love it so much. The other day, my friend was making fun of me because I went from a BMW to a Mazda. The car's still a Mazda, but at least it has comfort access now, something that my BMW didn't have. So I'm so happy about this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Okay, I was tucking the car away and just like closing everything up, and I went to go close the door. This thing didn't feel right when I went to close the door, and oh my gosh, That's where the extra bolt was. I missed. And I forgot to put that bolt back in. But I have to go take apart the door card all again. I'll do that another day.